Alright everybody, welcome to our 3-box 2015 Bowman football break with our added bonus. You guys know what it is. And we are going to randomize that right at the end of this video, same video. It's going to be right at the end of the break video. I'm just going to stop my breakers feed and we'll go right to random.org online. And I'll keep the screencast rolling throughout the entire process. I already have the original list of contestants, and that's what will be used for the randomization, the 32 spots. So if you have 5 spots, you got 5 chances at it out of the 32. If you have 1, you got 1 out of 32, etc., etc. Okay, without further ado, we're going to get right to this. If you're not in Waxmaster Breaks, get on Facebook and join. We'll get you breaking cheap with us. We'll have some fun. We pulled some good cards. Plan on pulling many more. 2015 products just starting. I got some more bonuses. We'll have some more fun with our breaks. Because that's what it's all about, having fun. Alright guys. First box. Good luck. Box. Here we go. I'm just going to roll right through the base and the rookies. Just like this. So we got a mini Daniel Hunter, and this Austin Hill, cool looking card, numbered to 499. Alex Carter, number to 399. Ooh, look at that. Auto on the back. Ben Koyak. All-American auto. Number 2/213. We get that sleeve and top loaded. Ben Koyak was drafted by Jacksonville Jaguars. So that goes to Emilio Trevino. Nice hit, Emilio. Numbered 213. Ben Koyak. First hit. That was right on the back. Maybe he's the next Gronk. Who knows? Mariota. Not numbered. So we think we got an auto here. Matt Jones, auto. We got a Clive Walford, mini. Matt Jones. Matt Jones was drafted by the Washington Redskins. So that's going to Mark Talley. Let me sleeve and top load that for Mark. Nice hit. Matt Jones going to Mark Talley for the Redskins. Second hit. I mean, he's Owam Ogby. Oh, here, I'm just going to show you. Probably really doesn't matter to any of you guys, but that's who the mini was. Brandon Bridge. Calvin Benjamin jersey. Calvin Benjamin for the Panthers. That's going to Mark Talley. Nice hit, Mark. Sleeve and top load that for you. Calvin Benjamin jersey. Going to Mark Talley. Oops. Still got cards here. Tom Brady. Minis Dominic Brown. Garrett Grayson. Number to 299. Jalen Strong. Number to 299 as well. So we got an auto. Vince Mail mini. Andrus Pete. Was drafted by the Saints. That's going to Jeff York. Nice hit, Jeff. Sleeve and top load that for you. Andrews Pete, rookie auto, going to Jeff York. Nice hit, Jeff. Got another auto. TJ Clemmings. Mike Davis mini. TJ Clemmings. TJ Clemmings was drafted by the Vikings. It's going to Emilio Trevino. Nice hit, Emilio. Sleeve and top load that for you. TJ Clemmings, drafted by the Vikings, going to Emilio Trevino. Mini is Brett Hundley, Eric Armstead, number to 499. Kevin Johnson, number to 199. Eli Manning. Kevin Coleman. And Zal die cut, not numbered. Kyle Rudolph is numbered to 75. Nice, got a 5th auto. Brashad Perryman. Number to 50 for the Ravens. That's going to Jared Krotz. Nice hit, Jared. Sleeve and top load that for you. Rashad Perryman. Rookie auto, number to 50. Go to Jared Krotz. Last pack, box number 1. Box number 2, we'll do it a little bit differently. I'll open up each stack, 5 packs, and we'll just go through them. Eli Harold Mini. Michael Bennett. It's number to 399. Brent Hundley. It's number to 499. That's box number 1. Alright, there's 5 packs. Here we go. We're going to grab a stack and we're just going to start going through them. Landon Collins. Randy Gregory. Number to 399. Devontae Parker. Number to 499. Oh, so I seen a mini auto. Lorenzo Malden. Let's sleeve and top load this, see who he's for. Any idea who he got drafted by? I'm not seeing it. I can Google it really quick. It's going to bother me. The Jets. 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 Going to Roger Barbrick. Lorenzo Malden. Alan Hearns. Blue. That's number 99. All right. Mini Andrus Pete. Rashad Green. Not numbered. Oh, nice. Justin Hunter. And that's numbered to 25. 25 for the Titans. Going to Bernie O'Byrne. Nice hit, Bernie. Sleeve and top loaded for you. Oops. Justin Hunter, number to 25. Trey McBride, mini. Brandon Bridge, number to 299. Josh Harper, number to 199. Mini. Cody Fajardo and Jamison Crowder. Rookie auto for the Redskins. That's going to Mark Talley. Jamison Crowder. Jamison Crowder, drafted by the Redskins, going to Mark Talley. The Beast. All right, now I'm going to open these 5 packs. We'll do another stack. Come on, give us something nasty. Come on. Whoa, mini came out. All right, here we go. Mini, Devontae Davis, Jamison Crowder, number to 499. Oh, auto here. Mini. Nothing matters. Haula Kika. DeJune Smith. DeJune Smith. Drafted by the Colts. It's going to Paul Wheeler. Nice hit, Paul. DeJune Smith. Going to Paul Wheeler. Mini, Sean Mannion. That was the one that fell out earlier. Gurley, Mariota. Ooh. It's pretty cool looking. Never seen one like that. Carlos Williams, Mini. Jeremy Langford. What's this thing numbered to? 99. That's a cool looking card. Hoping it was really low numbered or something. Dorial Green Beckham Mini. Cameron Artist Payne. Auto for the Panthers. It's going to Mark Talley with the Panthers. Cameron Artist Payne. Drafted by the Panthers. Going to Mark Talley. That is box number 2. We'll get right to box number 3. Third and final box. Empty box. No, it's $4 up to 5 teams, Roger. For all base cards. All cards aren't auto, jersey, or numbered less than 50. Here we go. Kevin White, Mini. Hola Kikaha. And Holy was drafted by the Saints. He's going to Jeff York. Nice hit, Jeff. This guy's a DN. Holy Kikaha. Alex Smith, number to 99. Yeah, on the premium brands, base ships with the hits. But this stuff, I mean, there's a ton of cards per box. I just flip that right to a hit. So Blake Sims, Mini. Ty Montgomery, that's numbered to 99. Minis, Jesse James. ODB, Jersey. Giants. Let's go into Lee Young. Nice hit, Lee. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, I think it was 4 for this break, Roger, because of the count. How many cards are in the set? Odell Beckham Jr. Jersey. Let's go into Lee Young. Well, maybe it's 3. I can't remember off the top of my head. Could be 3. If it's 3, it's 3. Mini is Titus Davis, Danny Shelton, numbered to 299. Eric Kendricks, numbered to 499. Mini is Dre's Henderson, Tevin Coleman. Tevin Coleman. Tevin Coleman was drafted by the Atlanta Falcons. That's going to Mark Talley. Tevin Coleman, auto. For the Falcons, going to Mark Talley. All right, our last 5 packs. You got it, Raj. All right, our last 5 packs. Here we go. mini is of this guy. Same guy that's on the red card here is the mini. Red one's numbered to 199. Leonard Williams, number to 399.
Right now, the Home Depot has special buys and new lower prices on a variety of ladders during the National Ladder Event, from step stools and podium ladders to extensions and more. So let's step up with brands like Warden. Right now, a 6-foot Warden fiberglass step ladder is at a new low price of only $49, well within reach. Let's do this. National Ladder Event.
We got an auto.
Home Depot. More savings, more
T.Y. Yeldon mini.
more. Or visit HomeDepot.com/ladder event. Fountain blinded to its own facility.
D end. Hoamagabi Odizuui. Ua. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but you can read it. I'll look him up here. For the Giants. For the G-Men. He's going to Lee Young. Nice hit, Lee. Drafted by the Giants, going to Lee Young. Jeremy Langford, mini. So this is the first one I've seen that's numbered. Numbered at 99, Matthew Stafford. Cool. Jalen Strong, mini. Jeff Howard, Ewerman, number to 499. Mariota, number to 299. That's a good card. I'll sleeve and top load that. That's the Bernie O'Byrne. Mariota, number to 299. Nice card. This is the end of our boxes here, guys. After this, it will be the contest. Ooh, we got a blue one. Sammy Coates, mini. Dominique Brown, running back, number to 99 for the Buccaneers. Let's go into J.J. Havner. So even top load that for J.J. Dominique Brown, number to 99. That's going to be the end of our boxes, gentlemen. End of our hits. Alright, guys, we'll do a recap of all the hits really quick. So our 3 jerseys were Odell Beckham Jr., Justin Hunter, number to 25, Calvin Benjamin. And I'm going to try to pronounce all these the best I can. But I'm going to try to give you an adequate view at them as well. So if I don't pronounce them right, you can judge. June Smith, rookie auto. Jamison Crowder, rookie auto. Lorenzo Malden. Dominique Brown. Mariota, number to 299. Owam Agbi Odig Hizua. That's the best I got, guys. Tevin Coleman. Hauli Kikaha. Rashad Perriman. That's number to 50. TJ Clemmings. Andrus Pete. Cameron Artis Payne. And Matt Jones. And then Ben Hoyek, number to 213. Alright, guys. Thanks, everybody, for getting into the break. Get all my cards from Blowout. They get them shipped in 2 days. Safe and secure. I'm going to hop off of Breakers right now. I'm going to leave the screencast going. It's going to go right to random.org. And we're going to see. We'll get some. Good luck, everybody. Thanks, everybody, for getting in. Like I said, goodbye to Breakers. You guys have a great night. All right. Up here to random. Dice roll. Random. List randomizer. Up out of here. Here's our original list in the order you guys took them. We copied. We pasted. So there they are in the order you guys took them. I'm just going to go to the thread here and I'm going to type in Odell live in our main thread. Okay, Odell's live. Here we go. 2 dice, 1 time, no snake eyes. 10 times. We're going 10 times on the dice roll. Here's our list. 1 through 32. We're going 10 times. Timestamp is 12:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York. 10 times. Here we go. 1. 32 items in our list. 2. We've gone 2 times. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. After 9 times, we got Dave Barnes on the top, Rob Kearns on the bottom. After 9 times, our dice roll is a 10. 10 times on the dice roll. We've gone 9. This will be the 10th and final randomization. Timestamp is 12:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York. 10th and final randomization. The person on this top gets the Odell Beckham Jr. Crown Royal RPA number to 299. 10th and final time. Good luck. 10th time. Craziness. 10 times. Dave Barnes stayed on the top. Unbelievable. There it is, guys. Wow. On his one spot, stayed on the top. I can't even believe it. It was Rob Kearns on the bottom the time before. We got 32 items in our list. We've gone 10 times. There's our dice roll, 10. Ending time stamps 12:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Congratulations, Mr. Barnes. Just won yourself an Odell Beckham Jr. Crown Royal RPA, bud. Thanks, everybody, for getting in the break. Thanks, everybody, for getting into the contest. Pay attention. There's going to be a lot more breaks coming up this week. I got some Father's Day packs. I got a couple other goodies. We're going to have some fun. Thanks a lot, guys. Everybody have a great night.